Everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to personalize your reader field on your WordPress site. Now, let's say you want to personalize your reader field. It's very simple. But before you do that, I have two ways to do it. You can use the Jetpack, which is powered by WordPress, or the WordPress app itself. Now, why I prefer the Jetpack is that it is easier. So I tap on the Jetpack app to open it up. And next thing, from here you can see reader at the bottom. Tap on reader and then you can click on get started, and then you choose your interest, what you're interested in reading about. So we have writing for me, then I also love humor, entertainment, education, inspiration. You just choose the ones you're good with. Reading, internet, you can of course choose WordPress, literature, and once you're done, click on done. These are the things you're interested in reading, so and that's it, and then they'll be brought out for you to read through them, and you can subscribe to the ones you really like. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to personalize your reader field on your WordPress site.